Hi guys, today we are going to discuss Cambridge Primary Checkpoint Science Paper 1, October 2020, paper code 0846-01 for 45 minutes. Let's scroll up from the first question till the end, so you may take a screenshot of this paper and try to do and for practice before we see the discussion together. Let's get started from number 1. The whole question for number 1. Number 2. This is number 3. This is still number 3. Then you zoom out so you may take the whole page of number 3. This is the magnification of number 3. This is number 3. This is number 4A. And this is number 4B. And this is number 5. This is number 6. This is number 7A, 7B, and C. And then this is number 8. This is 8A and B. This is number 9. Number 9. This is number 10. And this is question for number 10. This is question 10B. And then 10C. And then this is question number 11A, 11B. And this is question number 12AB. This is question number 13. This is 13A. Complete the table. 13A. This is question number 14. 14. The whole question number 14. This is the magnification of B. Question 14B. This is question. This one is question 13B. Sorry, 13B. And this is question 14. The diagram 14A. And this is 14BC. And this is question 15A, B. And this is question 16. This is 16A. Question 16B. Question 17. Question 17A and B. Question 18. Question 19. 19A and 19B. Then this is the last question, 19B, and we are at the end page. Let's get started in the discussion. I believe you have paused the video and tried to do it by yourself for 45 minutes. And now here is the discussion. Complete the sentences about food chains. Choose from consumer, food chain, habitat, producer, predator, prey. All food chains start with A. the answer is producer. Animal that eats a plant is a animal that eats a plant is a consumer. Animal that chases and eats another animal is a predator. Predator, like tiger or lion. An animal eaten by another animal is called prey. Alright, let's go to next question. Find a diagram on the Earth of the Earth. It shows what happens to the Earth over 24 hours. Complete the labels on the diagram. This is the Earth axis, where it's pinned. The axis is the axis, and this is the direction of pin. So counterclockwise, this is counterclockwise, so it's counterclockwise. Spin. So this is counterclockwise spin of Earth. Right, now let's go to see question 3. Yuri draws pictures of 5 different human organs. A, B, C, D, E. Complete the sentences. Choose from A, B, C, D. The organ that pumps blood around body is, well, this is heart. Will be B. The organ that filters blood will be kidney. Kidney will be this one. This is kidney. It has a shape like just like kidney bean. The organ that puts oxygen into the blood is the lung. This is lung. This E. Now, the organ that controls the body is the brain. So it's C. Let me zoom out. This is the answer. Now let's move on to question 4. Here's a list of properties. Flexible, good conductor of electricity, good conductor of heat, high melting point. Soluble, brittle, poor conductor of electricity, poor conductor of heat, low melting point, and insoluble. A. Copper is used to make a cooking pot. Explain why. Choose 2 properties from the list. Copper is used because it is good conductor of heat, because in cooking pot we give heat and it has high melting point. So we write good conductor of heat. High melting point. So when we heat up the pot, it will not melt, and with good conductor of heat, so it can transfer heat when we heat up the pot. Copper is used to make electrical wires. To explain why, choose 2 properties from the list. Because it's good conductor of electricity. And the second is it's flexible. Flexible and good conductor of electricity. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Scientists explore the solar system and stars. What equipment do scientists use to see stars? Circle the correct answer. It will be telescope. Raw materials. Different materials are used to make containers for drinks. These materials include aluminum, glass, plastic, and steel. Here is a table of information about these materials. Complete the table. Material: aluminum, glass, plastic, steel. Is it a metal? Yes. Aluminum and with IUM is metal. While is it soluble in water? Of course it's not. Glass, is it attracted to magnet? No. Is glass transparent? Yes. Is glass soluble to water? No. Plastic, is it a metal? Of course not. Is it attracted to a magnet? Plastic is not. Is it transparent? Yes. Steel, is it transparent? No. Is it soluble in water? Of course it's no. Okay, no, then let's see the question number 7. Oliver draws a diagram to show how shadows are made. Oliver has not labeled the positions of the shadow. Label the position of the shadow on the diagram. It will be, this is the shadow. Shadow. Alright, let's see here. Explain what make the shadows. Light ray, or block. In here, this one light ray from the bulb is blocked by the object. This is the opaque by opaque objects. So light rays are blocked by opaque objects, makes shadow. Light rays which are blocked by the opaque object makes the shadow. C. Describe what Oliver does to make the shadow bigger. To make the shadow bigger, Oliver has to move the object nearer to the source of light. Let's move on to the next question. The picture shows different stages in the life cycle of plants. The pictures are not in correct order. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Which stage comes next after stage C? Insect carry pollen. Circle the answer. So after stage C, insect carries pollen, then it will help in pollination. So it will be G. Insects pollinate flowers, so it will be G. Next after C, the insect will carry pollen and help in pollination. Which stage comes next after stage F? Animal disperses seeds. F is this one. After animal disperses seeds, of course the seed will fall somewhere and start to grow. So it will be new plant will grow after that. E. E. So this is the plant life cycle. After pollination, it will form seed, and seed will start to germinate in the process of germination and start to grow roots and stems. And all the plant grows into adult plant, and the sun, with the help of the sun, and they need to go For pollination again, so this is a life cycle of a plant. Pollination can be helped by insects or other method. Now let's go to question 1. Here's a list of sentences. Decide if each sentence is true or false. Burning dissolvable in a track is irreversible. Yes, we cannot reverse it back. Condensation of steam is reversible. Yes, it's true. Sugar dissolved in water to form a solution. Yes, it's true. Sand is soluble in water is false. Evaporation separates a mixture of sugar and sand. No, sugar and sand. We have to dissolve the sugar in water, and sugar will be dissolved, sand will be separated. So it's not evaporation, but dissolving sugar, sand with water. Dissolving a solid in water is reversible. Yes. A magnet separates a mixture of gold and silver. Well, gold and silver, they are both not attracted to magnets, so we cannot use magnets to separate them. So it's false. Rusting of iron is reversible. Rusting of iron is a chemical reaction, so it is irreversible. So this is wrong. It's false. Number 10. Leslie investigates friction. She uses 4 different materials: aluminum foil, paper, bumpy plastic, smooth plastic, 4 boards. Leslie put each material on some card, put the end of each card into 4 boards, rolls a ball down each material. Complete the sentences. So what Leslie did is Leslie put each material on some cards, put the end of each card onto 4 boards, and rolls a ball down each material. Complete the sentences. Leslie uses the boards to zoom out. The board is used to elevate the card. You can see this is elevated. This is to elevate the card. From the ground. Leslie always uses 4 boards to make a fair test. Fair test. So it will be the same for all cards. To make a fair to make a fair test. Complete the prediction. Choose from aluminum foil, bumpy plastic, paper, smooth plastic. Least friction, most friction, no friction. The ball will take the longest time to reach the end of the. So we see the material is bumpy plastic, paper, card, and one more is aluminum foil. There are 4 materials that layer the card. This is smooth plastic. This is it. Now the ball will take the longest time to reach the end of bumpy plastic because it has greatest friction. Bumpy plastic. Most friction. Bessie wants to make the investigation more reliable. Write down one thing she does to make the investigation more reliable. Just to repeat the experiment. Okay, we stop here today. So this is question 1 till 9, 10. Scroll for number 1, so you may take a screenshot of the mark scheme. This is number 1. This is number 1 still. And this is number 2. This is still number 2. This is number 3. This is still number 3. This is number 4A and 4B. And this is number 5. And this is number 6. This is number 7. 7B and C. This is question number 8. This is 8A and B. This is question number 9. This question still number 9. This is question number 10. This is question number 10. This is question number 10B. 10C. That's it. Now done until here. So today we have discussed Science Checkpoint, Primary Level, Paper 1, October 2020, code 0846/01. Please check links in the description section for other useful video, or you may check from the end screen of the video. Just click the windows that pop out. Subscribe and ring the bell for information of our updated video that cover all past paper and other interesting topics. Like and share to anybody who might need it. If you have any question, requests, or further explanation, please write down in the comment section. If you open this video to YouTube in Susan Hira channel. The discussion is conducted by Study with Teaching Online. Please email us if you need free soft copy of this past paper. Bye bye and God bless you. Hi guys, today we are going to discuss Science Primary Checkpoint. Well, past paper October 2020, paper 1. In our last video we have discussed question 1 till 10. Today we are going to question 11 and so on. So let's get started from question number 11. You can find the mark scheme of question 1 till 10. At the end screen of this video, there's windows pop out, and just click the window to get the whole playlist for this past paper. This is question 11. Plants have a life cycle. One part of the life cycle is shown in the diagram. Write down the name of this part of the life cycle. This is the seed germination. So the name of this part of life cycle is seed germination. What do plants need for this part of life cycle? Of course, they need water, and then it needs oxygen for respiration, and also and warm temperature. Water, oxygen, and warm temperature. Oxygen for respiration, water to soften the seed coat, and warm temperature for the correct enzyme process. Number 12. Hassan has a sample of liquid. Name a place of equipment. he uses to accurately measure 50 cm³ of this liquid. So it will be a measuring cylinder. This one, measuring cylinder. It will be one like this. This is the picture of measuring cylinder or graduated cylinder. Next, 12B, Hassan heats the liquid until it boils. Look at the reading on the thermometer when the liquid is boiling. Write down the boiling point of the liquid. So it is up to here. It will be in the middle between 103 and 104. It will be 103.5 degree. Let's see question 13. Jamila uses a sound level meter to measure the volume of sound in different places. Here are her results. Jamila has not put the unit for the volume of sound into the table. Complete the table. So volume of sound will be in decibel. So the answer is simple, in decibel. Question B. Jamila plays the violin. What does Jamila do to change the pitch of the notes she's playing? Pick the three correct answers. Pull the ball across the string harder. Pull the balls across the string softer. This is related to the loudness, not the pitch. The pitch is how high or low the note. Use a thicker strings, yes. Thicker string will make lower notes, lower pitch. Thinner string will make higher pitch. Use a finger to change the length of the strings, yes. The length of the string will affect the pitch of the note because it affects the part of the string that's vibrating. This will be our answer. Let's go to question 14. Here are 5 electrical circuits, A, B, C, D, E. Chan draws his electrical circuit diagram. Let me zoom out. So this is 2 cells, and this is 2 bulbs, and this is the switch. So it will be, we need to find 2 cells and 2 bulbs. It will be this one, A or B. But A has 2 bulbs, so this one will be correct. Add 1 switch here and 2 cells. This is 2 bulbs. So which electrical channel is diagram A? Well, now let's move to question B. Which electrical circuit has the brightest lamp? Brightest lamp, it means we compare. This one has 2 power supply. This is only 1, 1, 1, so it will be less voltage supply. So this is, both have the same 2 cells, and this has 2 bulb and 1 bulb. Of course, this one will be brighter because 2 cells giving supply the voltage to 1 bulb. So the answer will be B, the brightest lamp. What is the name of this electrical symbol? This will be M is the symbol for the motor. Alright, let's move to question 15. Look at the pictures of a polar bear. The polar bear is suited to its environment. Complete the sentence. The polar bear has thick fur to keep its body warm. Complete the sentence. The polar bear does not sink into the snow because it has large paws to help spread the body weight. Here is the picture. This is the large paw of the polar bear. You can see that it's really large to have spread the body weight. Number 16, Pierre climbs mountain to boil water. When he's camping on mountain, he notices that the water boils at different temperatures. He writes down the height of the mountain and the temperature that the water boils. Here's a page from his notebook. A. Complete the table with Pierre's result. Alright, we just have to move the data. 500 is 98. Well, the heading will be height of mountain and temperature the water boils. So height and then this will be in meter, this will be temperature. Will be degrees Celsius. So we have 500 1000 1500 to 2000 to 2500, and it will be 500 is 98, this will be 97, this will be 95, 93 and 91. Right. Question B. Pierre makes a conclusion. The temperatures of the boiling water increases the higher I am up the mountain. You can see this is the higher, this is increase, the high increase, this one is decrease. So the conclusion is not correct. The temperature decrease. Do Pierre results support his conclusion? No. From the table, as the height increases, the temperature decreases. The table shows that as the height increases, the temperature decreases. Let's go to number 70. The diagram shows part of a flower. Which part of the flower is a male organ? Circle the correct answer. Let's see the flower diagram. So this is parts of flower. This is petals, stigma. This is style. This is sepal. This is ovary. This is the female part. This is anther, and this is filament. This is the male part. So the male organ will be A. That is anther. Which part of the flower is a female organ will be B. This is the style. And then let's see question 18. Humans have a positive and negative effect on the environment. One of the following that has positive effect on the environment. Take the correct answer. Increasing waste, this is negative. Littering is negative. Causing loss of species is negative. Protecting habitat is positive. Increasing energy use is also negative. So one that has positive effect. Right. If any question, please feel free to write in the comment section. We'll surely reply to you. If you open this video through Susan Hira channel in YouTube. 19. The picture shows a koala. Koala have a skeleton similar to humans. Complete the sentence about skeletons. Choose from excretion, nutrition, reproduction, senses, support. Skeletons are needed for movement, protection, and support. Right, this is the A. Now B. Complete the sentence about skeleton. Choose from hair, muscle, organs, skin, and teeth. To move the skeleton, the body needs muscles, body needs muscles, That's it for number 19. This is the end of this paper. Let's scroll up so we may take a screenshot of all the mark scheme. This is the mark scheme for number 11. We take a screenshot. This is the mark scheme for number 12. 12B. 13. 13B. This is the mark scheme for number 14. This is the mark scheme for number 14B and C. And this is the mark scheme for number 15A, 15B, and then this is 16. This is 16A. This is 16B. This is question number 17. 17A. This is question number 17B. This is question number 18. This is question number 19. 19A. This is question number 19B. And that's it for today. So today we have discussed Science Checkpoint, Paper 1, October 2020, Primary Level, Paper Code 0846/01, question 11 to the end. The check links in the description. Click this button at the right bottom corner of this video. If you open through YouTube in Susan Hira channel, you may see all other useful links, and subscribe and ring the bell so you will be notified with our newest update for past paper as well as other interesting topics. Like and share to anybody who might need it because it's absolutely free. And today's discussion is conducted by Study with Tuition Online. Please email us if you do need the free soft copy of this past paper, or if you have any question or you're interested to join us. Bye and God bless you.